apologize, it's going to be kind of noisy because the car is running. But we got the air cleaner back on. We got the new alternator in. She's purring like a kitten. We are charging 13.6 volts. See what it does here. We got her up on some blocks. We are adjusting the brakes. And getting ready to paint the undercarriage again. So we did find this wheel cylinder here. Seems to be seized up. It probably leaked while it sat and then got moisture in there. And yep, caused it to fail. So we'll see if we can get it loose, take it off, see if we can rebuild it. If not, we'll get a new one in. There's a little shot of the bags. Gotta replace that fuel line under there as well. Finish cleaning this up. Fix this exhaust a little bit. Yeah, here's a little trick.